some caffeine eye cream. I feel like I should have used this morning because I'm tired. Because as I told you, I finally bought some tea bags again and I'm chuffed about it. We're gonna give me a big pat on the back. 1, 2, 3, well done me. Like, it's my body. We're gonna give me a big pat on the back. 1, 2, 3, well done me, because I remembered to pack a coffee for my trip into London today. I'm going for a meeting and then I've got a Botox appointment with my fave, the aesthetics doctor. He is the best thing ever. So I just thought I'd bring a coffee with me instead of buying one today, because I need to stop buying coffees. Not because I think that not buying coffee is going to buy me a house. We all know that's a very outdated boomer mentality. I mean, to be fair, parking my car here is costing me £5. It's basically the price of the blooming coffee anyway. I just want to stop buying so many coffees when I can make one at home. It's lazy. It's laziness. So we've got one, but I'm going to jump out and head over to the platform. I hate standing around for too long when it's a bit cold, and I can't work out if it's cold enough that I'm going to be really cold in like 10 minutes time stood there, or if I'll be okay and I'm just being really dramatic. Let's get going and get into London. I've also got my Kindle in here. This is like the only bag really that my Kindle fits into, but the strapsicles don't fit, so I have to like tuck the strap bits down inside and then like push the Kindle in. Because I refuse to not bring my Kindle on a long journey. I utilise my time travelling in and out of London to read, so it gives me 2 hours of uninterrupted reading time, which is fabulous for me, not gonna lie. So we're gonna try and get through more of Hunting Adeline and make our way over, because I've got about 10 minutes till my train. Straight home, straight into PJs, because London was sweaty today. Oh guys, I just went into London for meetings and for a little aesthetic tweakment. I had basically, so I for ages have been saying that one of my areas that I don't like is this. I don't like that it like pulls down, obviously ignoring this giant spot that's like changing the whole shape of my face right now because it's a crater. I don't like that I had like this pull here that like felt like my face was dragging down. I hated it in videos, I hated it in pictures, like I really just didn't like it. And it's basically like the beginnings of like a jowl, shall we say. It's not actually, but like it's always been there since I was like 20. It's literally always been there and I didn't like it. So when I went in for my Botox earlier, he basically did a little bit of filler here and here, and it basically just smooths the appearance. This is literally so big, like I can't tell you, this is like an actual like lump on my face, so it looks a little bit different on this side at the moment, but he said it will obviously eventually be like fine. This just looks horrific, but yeah, it's basically just softened and taken out that. The swelling is there a little bit, that will go down, but it's just literally completely smoothed like here, which let me tell you, I am so excited about, because I honestly hated that part of my face so much. Like, that was my one problem area, and my under eyes, which obviously I had a little bit of filler in there as well, and then we did some Botox. But my thing is, I like to always look like I've had nothing, and I feel like we've achieved that, because you can't tell there's anything there, but there is. And I feel like that's kind of what I like to strive for with anything aesthetic. I just want to look youthful, I want to look like myself, but tweaked. So we've got that. But yeah, London was sweaty today, so I've literally gone straight to the shower and into my pyjamas. I'm gonna make a cup of tea again, because as I told you, I finally bought some tea bags again and I'm chuffed about it. It was so sweaty. I had a jumper on with a coat, and everywhere I went I was just like, I could feel that I was just overheating, and it was clammy, it was disgusting, it was just hot. Like from the minute I left the house this morning, I've just been hot. And even when I've had meetings and stuff, we've been saying like it's just sticky, like it's like a muggy heat today, and it's horrible. Wasn't the nicest, but I'm home. I'm ready to curl up on the sofa and watch some Married at First Sight and have some dinner and just chill and just all the good stuff. But I do need to quickly do my check-in with my coach, because I need to listen to his like thing. He sent me a video over going through all my bits, so I need to go through that, and then I'm gonna curl up on the sofa and do absolutely nothing this evening. And then tomorrow, we're in chaos mode for a little while. I'm so tired this morning. I went to sleep on the sofa at like 8:30, woke up to get into bed, and then just didn't wake up again, and it's now 6:30. But I knew I needed to get up, because if I didn't, that'd be a way too long sleep. But the last couple of nights, I was just sleeping for England. I don't know what's happening. I'm so sleepy, but I'm in two minds, because I set my alarm to go to the gym this morning, obviously can't go to the gym because of the filler. So I don't really know what to do. I was going to walk on my little treadmill at home, but I can't find the remote anywhere. But filler update, she looks fine. She looks fine. And none of the comments of like, oh, another one getting filler, don't go down the filler route, you're too young for filler, blah blah. I honestly, like, it's my body. I can do what I like for my body. I would never do something that doesn't look natural. So opinions to yourself. I don't comment on your body, please don't comment on mine. I don't know, I find it really annoying when people make comments about other people's, like, if I was going and getting like size like a bazillion boobs, I would absolutely get it. Or if I had lip filler that was like bursting at the seams, I would get it. But I'm not. Good morning, it's Friday today. Did I vlog yesterday? I think I vlogged maybe breakfast. And then I was busy the whole day. Today, I've got a full day of working bits. I'm going to view a house with a friend, and then not for me, and then I've got my friends coming tonight. So we're all trying to hang out, like a big group of us, and typically every hangout kind of happens at my house, because where I lived on my own, it just became like the hangout place, because obviously I was the only one that didn't have a boyfriend there that we needed to kick out, etc, etc. So now that James lives there, things have changed a little bit, and basically we've got like a whole load of chaos. So like, we didn't know where to do said meet up, and it's ended up being that we're doing it at the studio because no one could free up their house, if that makes sense. Like, whether it's distance from everyone else, or like babies asleep, or like partners at home, or middle of renovation, or whatever, like there's just a reason for each person. Like, I can't have everyone to mine because James is getting up at 5 in the morning to go to work, and he specifically has said, can this one not be at our house? Yeah, we're going to the studio and we're going to have a little movie night, which is going to be really cute actually. So we're getting a projector. I think Ebony has a projector, so she's bringing that. Like, girls are bringing loads of blankets, we're going to bring some snacks, we're going to have like a cute little cozy night in together, and then it's just going to be really cute. I actually can't wait. It's going to be really fun. But for now, I'm at the gym at 6 a.m. Ooh! Oh my God, I just need to drop my pre-workout all over myself. It's actually not 6. What time is it? I don't know. It's 6:32. So I'm going to try and get out by 7:30, which should be okay, because I feel like workouts can take about an hour and then they're fine. So I'm going to try and get in and out by 7:30, and then I can get home and like get myself fully ready, get myself sorted. I've got a couple of ads I need to shoot for some UGC bits. I need to send some videos over to my editor. I need to do some little bits and pieces. And it's Amelia's birthday tomorrow as well, so we need to sort her birthday present out. But it's really annoying because we ordered her this one specific thing. I'll leave it linked down below because I know she doesn't watch these vlogs, and if she does, she needs to stop now. But you basically can get these like pet portraits and I've known about them for the longest time, and I think they are so funny. And her dog is like the most beautiful little thing, and I just knew he would look so funny in one of these pet portraits, and it kind of fits the decor of her bedroom because she's got a lot of like navies and like darker colours in there. And she also has 3 prints above her bed, and only one of them's got a picture in. So we were like, this is perfect. And it's basically one of those pet portraits where they make your dog or your cat look like royalty. And it's so funny. I'll leave it linked because it was on a sale when we bought it. They're typically like £25, and when we bought it, it was only £7, and they digitally send it to you. So I need to check my emails and see if I've got it. If so, I need to find somewhere I can print it, because I really want to print it on like proper paper. I don't want to just print it on like A4, which we could do, but like that's a bit naff. So we're going to try and print it off but alongside that, we always do the baskets. You guys know about the baskets. You saw Tash's last week. But we basically... Did you see Tash's? I don't know. But we basically do a little basket, and it's like a travelling basket. So every birthday, we just fill it with like certain little bits. So it's normally things like pyjamas and like hair masks, hair claws. Sometimes there's some snacks in there, candles, like bits, basically like books and stuff, which is really cute. So yeah, she's got Belladonna. She's got some pyjamas that we all got matching again. We got her like the burgundy Primark ones, which are really soft. We got her a hair bow that she really wanted, these little cute bow earrings. We got her the print. We got her a face mask. We got her some bath milk. I can't remember what else we got. I don't know. We never typically spend more than like £40, so we keep it quite cheap, but it's all things that are like basically a pamper evening, or like just things that we know each other will love, because I think that's so much nicer than just buying them like a jumper. Like, we're buying like little cute things that we know they'll really like, and every time we always get it so spot on, like between the 3 of us now, 4 of us, and it's just really nice. I really love doing it. I think it's really fun. Good morning. weekly vlog. I think I've already said good morning in the car. I've got a couple of random PR bits that I wanted to show you, slash like 2 PR bits. Did I show you the shrine stuff? I think I did, and I showed you Sunday. Okay, so we have 2. One's from Clean, which is the like TikTok brand that do like brush cleaning, etc. I've heard so much about them, and I've actually never tried them, but I really wanted to. Oh, I actually do have another one as well somewhere. I've got the Rose and Caramel Tan Remover and the tan. I used the fake tan, not my favourite but not the worst. I would say that it didn't stick to my skin very well, and it looked a bit patchy on like day 2, which I'm not really used to. I'm a hard Saint-Tropez Express blue bottle lover. Like, that is my go-to tan. Liked it, didn't love it. I feel like it would be good if you wanted it for like one specific day occasion, but like I said, it didn't stick. Maybe I needed to exfoliate more, maybe I needed to moisturize more, unsure. I'll give it another try and give you an update. But their tan remover, the Rose and Caramel, is unreal. I'll leave it linked down below because it is just the best thing ever. It's in like a little white tub. But Clean, we've got a little box of goodies here. They sent me over a few bits, and I'm actually really intrigued because I have heard loads about them, but I've just never tried it. So they've sent me this over, which is like a makeup brush cleaner. I was so confused by this because it kind of looks like a little like test tubey situation, but it says on here that it's basically like you take the little stick out of the tube and then you basically swirl your used makeup tools on the yellow side and then repeat the action on the pink side. Both sides are yellow. Unsure. But yeah, you basically like wipe your makeup brushes like on it and then you store it in this, which is quite cool. I think that's a really good idea because it's quite minimal as well, and it's not that messy. Then I've also got a hygienic cleansing solution. Is this hypochlorous? Is this for face or is this for spray directly onto skin? Yeah, so this must be one of those ones that you just like spray on your face for the like hygiene, you know, like the TikTok viral one, which I actually did buy and it's really good. It's basically like a spray that kills all the bacteria on your face if you've been sweating and stuff. And then I've also got this brush cleaner. Removes germs, dust, makeup and disinfectant. How do you use this? Removes dirt and grime. Oh, I think this one's like a spray that you put on your brushes, so like when you've used it you just give it a little spray or something, maybe. I'm unsure. I'm gonna have a little look into it because I'm a bit confused, but they do have a scan for instructions and it says use it on dry brushes. So that is the bits from Clean, which I'm excited to give a go. I actually really need to clean my makeup brushes, they're embarrassing, so we need to give that a go. I've got another update of my And Begin skin subscription. I think this is my 3rd or 4th now. Really love this. I think it's just so good. You basically do a little questionnaire and stuff, very similar to like what's it called, Skin and Me and Dematica, in that you upload pictures of your skin, you tell them about your skin, you tell them what you want to achieve, and they make a specific product for you with dermatologists. So that is my one. Really like it. Love the fact it's quite nice and minimal as well, and if I'm traveling I don't really need to take many skincare bits with me because that's kind of a one-step wonder. And then I've got these, which are, if you've seen my vlogs you will know these are my absolute favourite. I've got my Oat Cleansing Balm update. I am obsessed with this. This product is like not even, I think it's like less than, it's either about £10 or about £15. So inexpensive, lasts so long. I think I use this every single night, sometimes in the morning, and it probably lasted me a while. I want to say a few weeks at the least. So we've got an update of that, and it's oat cleansing. It really helped soothe my skin. It's apparently really good for like eczema and stuff as well. Then we've got some caffeine eye cream. I feel like I should have used this morning because I'm tired. We've got hyaluronic acid serum, which is for like hydrating and plumping your skin. We've got some invisible pimple patches. Again, needed that on this bad boy right here. And then we've got Omega water cream, which is really good. I use this in the mornings and it's really lovely, or I use it on PM. Like after I've done this, I pop on a little bit of this as like a nighttime slather of moisturiser. But yeah, those are some little bits that have come in that I thought I'd just quickly show you. I need to eat my breakfast and get ready for the day, but I just, yeah, thought I'd give you a little look through those. I do also have some bits that I bought from Uniqlo the other day, which I wanted to run you through, but I don't know where half of them are now because I've been wearing them. So I need to find them. I bought these really good like heat tech socks. I'll link them down below, but they're basically like socks that are formulated to like keep the heat into your socks and like stop your feet getting cold. They're actually really good. I wore them yesterday and they're really cozy, so I need to find them and then I'm gonna wear them today.